Wow, this has got to be one of the best experiences I've had with a Windows laptop. It's so thin and it's so light. More importantly, it's very strong and very capable. Seriously? What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So I've been using this Asus laptop powered by Snapdragon X for a while now, and I can say that it's totally different compared to any Windows laptop I've ever used before this. Other than its aesthetic and also its weight, 899 grams, what? It's also powered by a very interesting chip. We all know how amazing Snapdragon chips are on Android phones, right? It's now on laptops and it's also very promising so far. Snapdragon actually equates to premium experience. They have been doing that on smartphones for a very long time, and Android fans, you can attest to that, right? Snapdragon brings the things we love from our phones such as lightweight, battery efficiency, powerful performance, and very capable AI, along with great camera quality and etc. into a laptop PC just like this one. When all of that combined, they really offer a very different and amazing experience. So you might be asking, why do I need a Snapdragon X powered machine? Well, it's very simple. They last longer with one charge. Imagine going out for a whole day of work, for meetings, and also for video streaming, and yet still running when you reach home at night. Isn't that amazing? More importantly, heavy tasks are supported and also performed without the need of extra fans, cooling system, and also bulky batteries. You see how thin this is? Snapdragon X Series also enhances AI experiences. For example, generating media using AI. It's a heavy processing task, but this new generation of chip handles it like a breeze. See how video call effects are generated in real life while in a video call? And using queries to transform sketches to art with Co-Creator? Only Snapdragon X Series can do all this. It's like a piece of cake. With amazing and powerful laptop chips like this, Photoshop no problem, CapCut also no problem, any AI software also no problem. And one more thing, just in case you're not aware, all the time when I'm doing my work, it's not plugged to the battery or power source at all. This also means even though this thing is unplugged and used wirelessly and portably, the performance is still maximum. Now, when you are generating images using the Co-Creator, we can generate as many images as we want without limit. Like what I mentioned just now, great performance, no need for bulky batteries, no need for extra cooling fans, lead to very light and also very thin laptops like this Asus Zenbook here. Which also means you can bring this laptop to anywhere for your daily tasks without feeling like you're carrying a rock in your backpack. This quality of life improvement never existed with Windows laptop before Snapdragon X Series chips. Now, when I say we don't have to carry heavy rocks in our backpack, right? That also includes we don't have to carry heavy chargers in our backpack to charge them anymore. First of all, they don't need to be charged all the time. And secondly, you can charge it using USB cable. So if you have a cable for your phone, you can also plug it here to charge. So now you know why this laptop and also the chip inside it managed to blow my mind away. Snapdragon X Series laptops are now in all leading brands including Acer, Asus, HP, Lenovo, and Microsoft, so you can check them out today. They are also available at all brand retailers and all major retail IT stores. So that was my quick sharing after trying out the Asus Zenbook powered by Snapdragon X chip, okay? And if you love videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends, and follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!